In the bustling town of Maplewood, there lived a clever and attentive boy named Sam. Sam had a sweet tooth and a knack for making delicious treats. One summer, he decided to turn his love for baking into a business. I'm going to start my own cookie business, Sam announced to his family one evening. His older sister Emma raised an eyebrow. You? A business owner? Why not? Sam replied confidently. I have a great recipe and I know people love cookies. I just need to figure out how to start. Sam spent the next few days researching. He learned about ingredients, pricing, and how to advertise his cookies. With a little help from his parents, he set up a small stand outside his house and called it Sam's Sweet Success. On the first day, Sam sold only a few cookies, but he didn't give up. He asked his customers what they liked and what he could improve. They adding more chocolate chips. One customer suggested, maybe you could offer gluten-free options, another said. Sam listened and made changes. He also created colorful flyers to advertise his business around town and offered free samples to attract more customers. Soon, word spread about his delicious cookies. Within a few weeks, Sam's sweet success became the talk of the town. He started getting orders for parties and events. His cookies were so popular that he had to recreate Emma to help him with baking and deliveries. One day, a local reporter came to interview him. What advice do you have for other young entrepreneurs? She asked. Sam thought for a moment. Believe in your ideas, listen to feedback, and never give up. If you are passionate about something, you can turn it into something amazing. Sam's story inspired many kids in Maplewood to follow their dreams. They learned that with hard work, creativity, and determination, they too could be successful entrepreneurs just like Sam.